Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and I am working on my tag holder art journal, calling this part 4. I'm going to do a couple of pages. This time I decided to dip my hand in some paint and try to cover up that paint chip card as much as possible without completely coating it. Okay, maybe I completely coat it. Just trying to make it a little interesting, I think. So this is one of Gina's flowers. I decided we needed a little bit of dark behind there so it stands out a little bit more. Now it's all dry. I'm going to glue it on there. So that's from one of her digital downloads. My goal is to make everything in this book, or as much as I can, have Gina's stuff on it. So I'm just going to add a few words on there, and then that one will be done. Just a quick little project. So this next page is my one, I think there's just one exception to the making it all Gina B. Aaron's products, because I think all I do on this one is emphasize the floral patterns that were on this jelly print that I decided to use in my little tag book. I think I just go around with this marker and outline it a little bit. Really kind of awkward to do on my little crazy book. But there we have it. Well, I hope you liked that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.